All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on. I should have let this car cool down a little bit, but I'm going to go right from the automatic transmission fluid to the differential, because this job is almost done. This service, 60,000 miles, almost done. This is the first time this plug's ever been out of here. And I will tell you, there is some metal dust on the magnet. It's not terribly bad though. The oil definitely doesn't look that bad. The oil definitely doesn't look bad. But yeah, there was a little bit on the magnet. I'm thinking maybe I should have done this at 30,000 miles though. We're going to do this one again. I'm definitely going to do this one again. Probably a couple oil changes from today, because I would like to see what that magnet looks like again next time. Ooh. Oh man. Woo. Good night. That was so cool. That joke was on there. That dude in Japan really put that one in there, huh? Alright. Same deal, different day. We're going to fill this up until it starts coming out the side. I'm thinking it's going to take 2 quarts. I didn't look to see how many it's going to take. That one's on me. And in case you're wondering, we are using Valvoline synthetic 7590. Nissan calls for 7585. But it's really easy to find 7590 everywhere, and you'll be okay. You'll probably be okay running 90-140. Yeah, that's not going to work. Alright, there's 1 quart. There's 1 quart missing from a bag. Alright, let's try another quart. I had to clean up. I had to do a clean up. These bags. These bags can dump some oil out. Get in there. Man. Alright, I feel that it's going to be about 2 quarts. I feel like it's going to take you about 2 quarts to fill this thing up. Alright, I feel it's going to take you about 2 quarts. So once that drizzle stops, I hope you can see it. Once that drizzle stops, that's when you want to cap it off. Remember, this car is level. And it is okay to have a little bit too much oil in the differential, but you don't want a lot of too much oil in the differential. It'll build up too much pressure and you'll start blowing seals. Trust me, none of y'all want to blow a seal. It's too salty. Alright, it's coming to a stop right now. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So we're going to plug that off. Maybe, just maybe. Okay, that looks good. That feels good. I bet I don't put it on as tight as they did in Japan. And like I said, I'm going to come back. I'll probably come back in a couple oil changes and check this again. There we go. That is your rear differential right there. Plan on buying 2 quarts of oil. 75W90.